Hi, I'm Chris Murphy. Thank you so much for visiting our website. The great unfinished business of last Congress, to me, is our drive to make this nation energy independent. Listen, this task isn't easy, but nothing important ever is. It involves some sacrifice on all of our parts, but we've got to wake up to the reality that we are being lapped in the global economy by countries in Europe, by China, by India, who are making massive investments in renewable energy. And to me, it's first and foremost about job creation. We need to corner the market on renewable energy, but we also need to understand that every day that we continue to import barrels of oil from petro-dictators who are using our money essentially to fund the terrorist organizations around the globe that depend on it makes us less safe as a nation. It's about job creation, it's about national security, and it's absolutely about our commitment to cleaning up this globe. Let's pass comprehensive, revolutionary energy reform before it's too late.